Hello everyone, welcome to the Great Neck Library's YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to make a simple heart owl Valentine. So to begin, we have one large heart that's going to be our owl's body. And then we have two white hearts that we're going to glue on for the eyes. Next, we have two hearts in the same size but different colors that we're going to use for the owl's wings. And we'll paste them right here. The next pink hearts, these tiny ones, we're going to use to be the owl's ears. And we'll paste these right on top of the heart of either side of our heart upside down. And then we have three tiny red hearts. One will be our owl's nose, and that will paste right here, right side up. And the last two hearts are going to be our owl's feet, and we are going to paste those upside down as well at the bottom of our heart like this. And lastly, we'll add our googly eyes right on top of our white hearts. You can turn it around and write on the back if you want to write a sweet card for someone special this Valentine's Day, or you can keep it for yourself. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great time making this easy heart owl Valentine.